This is a PC I have in mind. When I'm using Walmart, to start off with the case, I have a Vantex XT Pro Ultra, which looks kind of cool. The motherboard, I got a Prime 650 Plus. The processor, I got a Ryzen 5 7600X. Well, I need something to cool that processor, so I'm using a black AIO from Master Liquid. For the storage, I got an NVMe 2TB SSD. The GPU, I got an RX 7700 XT with 12GB of VRAM. CPU, I got a fully modular Corsair RM750E. I switched to PC part picker list because I think that's what all the pro uses. All this I think. Well, this machine draws 474 watts. It costs just under $1,200. At least for the United States. I live in Central America, so there is gonna be extra fee. I don't think that it will actually go over the $1,200 mark. If you want, subscribe to watch me build a PC.